be able to configure these activities to be automatically generated into work orders. If we select this option that we'll see in a moment, the system will take everything that's 48 hours before its execution time, and every day in the early morning will try to generate them. This makes it easier so that I don't have to manually generate my work orders. If I want it to be manual, I can simply select my activities, go to the Actions section, and generate a work order. This is very useful for cases where I have limited resources and need to select activities that have a higher priority or need to be executed immediately and on time. Also, in case I cannot perform all the activities, I can also reschedule them for another date. In this case, let's select these two activities and generate their work order. In this module, we will see that we have different views to manage our work orders. Among these views, we have the first one, which is our Kanban board. This Kanban board will show me the different stages within my work orders. These stages are entirely customizable, giving us full control. Let's delve into configuring our Kanban board. To access these settings, navigate to our avatar, then to Settings, and finally to the Work Orders Setup section. Within this section, we'll encounter various stages that our work orders can progress through. At a minimum, we need 2 stages for efficient tracking, one open and one closed stage. By default, our system presents 3 stages: to do, in progress, and done. We can define our open and closed stages. Additionally, we can manage access permissions, specifying which roles can access work orders at different stages. Let's customize our stages now. We'll consider adding a stage for waiting on materials to address potential delays. Furthermore, we'll include a review stage for post-task evaluation by technicians and a completed or closed stage for finalized tasks. The flexibility of these stages allows us to designate open and closed statuses. Notably, we can insert stages before open representing preparatory phases. Everything between open and closed is considered an active work stage. Moreover, we can add as many stages as needed post-closure. This setup ensures comprehensive management, accommodating various processes like report generation, review cycles, and any other stages specific to your operations. In the Profiles section, we can precisely control who can update work orders to specific stages. These profiles include the organization's administrator by default, highlighting the roles within our system. For instance, if we prefer only coordinators to close work orders, we can restrict technicians from this action. Another noteworthy option is automatic work order creation. When activated, the system autonomously generates orders daily, typically in the early morning. This feature streamlines workflow continuity. Additionally, we can configure work orders to adjust for non-working days, rescheduling them for the next available workday. This ensures uninterrupted operations despite holidays or off days. Moving to PDF configuration, we find several customizable sections. For instance, in the Company section, we can incorporate our logo for a personalized touch across all work order PDFs. We can select which fields to display, such as users, contract details, costs, measurements, labor, and more. This customization extends default information for corrective actions and attachment settings for images per page, ensuring precise documentation. After configuring these settings, let's transition to labor configuration. Here we can assign hourly rates to team members like Michael, facilitating accurate cost allocation to work orders. Lastly, returning to our Kanban board, we can observe all configured stages in a visual format. This board provides a holistic view of our work orders, allowing quick adjustments by dragging and dropping activities. We can filter orders by various criteria, making it easier to locate specific tasks within the system. In essence, our configurable system empowers us to streamline processes, ensure accountability, and maintain efficiency across all operational aspects.